Meet Sarah and Gabby, who've just arrived home with baby Anya. Born with no complications, Anya appeared completely normal. At 3 months old, however, she got her first cold and her first minor eye infection. Anya's pediatrician prescribed eye drops, and in a few days, her eye seemed somewhat better. But every time Anya had a cold or a fever, the eye infection came back, which meant more pediatrician visits and more eye drops. Even worse, Sarah and Gabby noticed that each time it took longer for the infection to heal. At 1 year old, Anya developed her first eye lesion, which appeared as a thick mass on her upper eyelid of yellow-white color. Anya's lower eye area, normally bright white, was red and irritated. Since the usual eye drops didn't work anymore, they were referred to a pediatric ophthalmologist who prescribed heparin and corticosteroids. But much to their distress, the treatments didn't help. So when she was 2, Anya was referred to another pediatric ophthalmologist who tried yet another course of treatments that, sadly, were also unsuccessful. They were then referred to an ophthalmologist who specializes in corneal diseases. This physician recommended surgery to remove Anya's lesion. He explained that the unusual mass growing on her upper eyelid was comprised of fibrin, a type of protein found in the body. The good news? The surgery was successful. The bad news? 3 months later, Anya's lesion returned, and it appeared larger, thicker, and generally worse than before. At age 4, after several more surgeries, which ultimately provided only temporary relief, Anya experienced light sensitivity and often preferred to wear sunglasses during daylight hours. Anya's condition was not improving, and a short time later, Sarah and Gabby noticed Anya's gums were also swelling due to sores, which caused a great deal of irritation and discomfort for Anya. So they went back to her original pediatrician, who recommended both a referral to a dentist and, very importantly, a thorough examination by a pediatric hematologist. Anya had passed her 5th birthday by this time. The pediatric hematologist promptly ordered a blood test and a gene mutation test for Anya. She was finally diagnosed with plasminogen deficiency, a rare autosomal recessive disorder whereby a person inherits 2 mutated plasminogen genes, one from each parent. Oftentimes, the parents do not show any symptoms, as they have at least one fully functioning plasminogen gene, which codes for the plasminogen enzyme. Plasminogen deficiency occurs when plasminogen, a protein made in the liver, is reduced or absent. Plasminogen deficiency may affect many soft tissue or mucosal surfaces found in multiple organs, including the eyes, ears, gums, respiratory tract, GI tract, kidneys, female genital tract, the skin, and the brain. Left undiagnosed and untreated, plasminogen deficiency can be life-threatening due to risk of rapid accumulation of fibrin protein in areas such as the trachea or cerebral vascular spaces. Historical treatments to manage plasminogen deficiency have been mostly unsuccessful, with only temporary or partial symptom relief for patients. At Promedic Life Sciences, we're developing a new plasminogen replacement therapy for congenital plasminogen deficiency. This is a purified, concentrated source of plasminogen protein to help restore the missing protein which patients are unable to produce naturally. This plasminogen therapy is currently being reviewed by the FDA. If approved, it may be available in the United States in 2018. With the availability of new, effective treatment options, management of plasminogen deficiency will improve, and courageous people like Anya will have the chance to live active and normal lives with their plasminogen deficiency well managed. For more information on plasminogen deficiency, please visit www.pts.plasminogen.com.